Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Lifeology. Here in this video, we'll see a brief introduction to early life origin of Earth and stromatolite. The early life origin, which is actually a very controversial topic among scientists and philosophers, but depending on evidences and experimental proofs, we can infer some strong points about origin of Earth and early life, and also about the stromatolites. So let's start. When we talk about the evolution of Earth, the very first thing comes into our mind is origin of Earth. So two questions are there: when this earth is originated and how this earth is originated. To answer these questions, the earth it is originated about 4.5 billion years ago, and the process of origin it can be very beautifully explained by cosmological model, which we also call the Big Bang theory. This Big Bang theory resulted into many amazing stellar bodies which were behaving like a ball of hot gases, and later on cooling they got converted into a primordial soup. So what is this primordial soup? This primordial soup is actually the solution of organic compounds which later got converted into early life forms. To prove this, that the conversion of primordial soup, that which was a non-living, to early living forms, there were many model. One of them was Operon and Halden model. Operon and Halden model, they explained that the hot gases which were present on the earth, like water, you can say the steam, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas, H2S, methane, ammonia, these gases, due to the action of lightning which was continuously occurring on the earth's surface, got converted into simple organic compounds and behaved like a primordial soup. This was also experimentally proved by Urey and Miller, and they created the same environment in the laboratory and resulted in the formation of simple organic solution or simple organic compounds. So early life origin, when we talk about the early life origin, the early life or early earth, it was devoid of oxygen, it was without oxygen, and it was very hot. The without oxygen condition is also called the anoxic. Beside water, a variety of gases were present on this Earth's surface. The Earth was just like a ball of hot gases, which is consisting of steam, the nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, methane, ammonia, carbon monoxide, as well as there were large reservoirs of sulfide as a mixture of hydrogen sulfide and FeS. Thus, early life forms were likely quite heat tolerant and may have resemblance with hyperthermophilic prokaryotes. No doubt the life forms which were originated in these conditions, they were the heat tolerant. The early life can evident from the fossil remains of cells on ancient rocks. So we can prove this thing from the fossils, and the earliest fossils were the stromatolites. Some ancient rocks contain microfossils that appear very much like a bacteria. They may be rod or cocci, which we are going to see the images of those rocks. In rocks about 3.5 GY or younger, microbial formations called stromatolites are abundant. So we can say that these stromatolites, they are the earliest fossil evidence. Fossilized microbial, the stromatolites are actually fossilized microbial mats consisting of layers of filamentous prokaryotes and trapped sediments. These fossilized stromatolites provide record of life on early Earth. Stromatolites are major constituent of fossil record of first form of life on early Earth. In the oldest stromatolites, these organisms were likely anoxygenic, that is non-oxygen evolving, and phototrophic bacteria rather than the oxygen evolving cyanobacteria that dominate modern stromatolites. And those oldest many filamentous phototrophic bacteria, perhaps they may be the relatives of the green non-sulfur bacterium Chlorophyxus. So here are the some of beautiful images of stromatolites which prove them as a evidence for early life. So this was all about the brief introduction of origin of early life and origin of earth, and also the stromatolites. Thank you for watching from Learn Lifeology. Keep watching, keep liking. Thank you.